Check out this Ram 2019 1500 Classic Bighorn. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 3.92 rear axle ratio, engine, 5.7 LV8 HEM AMDS VVT, STD, diesel gray-black premium cloth bucket seats included, full-length upgraded floor console, power lumbar adjust, folding flat-load floor storage, 115-volt auxiliary power outlet, bucket seats, rear 60/40 split folding seat, power 10-way driver seat, wheels, 20-inch x 8 inches aluminum chrome-clad, STD, rear window defroster, quick order package 27S Bighorn included, engine 5.7 LV8 HEM AMDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, cluster 7.0 inches TFT color display, steering wheel mounted audio control, sun visors with illuminated vanity mirrors, glove box